In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run and customize reports in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull the information you need and format it so it actually makes sense for your business. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Reports section. Depending on your version, you may see Reports directly in the left-hand menu, or you might go to Business Overview and then choose Reports from there. This is your central hub for everything related to financial statements and activity summaries. Next, you'll want to pick the type of report you need. QuickBooks gives you a long list of standard reports, like profit and loss, balance sheet, and sales by customer. Scroll through the list, or use the search bar to find one that matches what you're looking for, and click to open it. If you need something more specific and you're comfortable building from scratch, you can also choose the option to create a new report, which gives you a blank starting point. Once your report is open, look for the Customize button, usually near the top right of the page. Clicking this opens the customization panel. This is where you can really tailor the report to your needs instead of just relying on the default view. Start by setting the date range. Use the date drop-down to choose a period like this month, last month, this quarter, or a custom date range. Getting the dates right is important so you're not accidentally reviewing outdated or incomplete information. Now adjust the columns and layout. Open the columns drop-down and check or uncheck the fields you want to show or hide. This helps you focus only on what matters, such as specific accounts or details about customers. Then, go to the Layout or Reorder section. Here, you can drag and drop columns into the order you prefer. For example, you might move customer names closer to amounts to make scanning the report easier. Next, apply filters to narrow things down even more. Open the filter drop-down and choose criteria like a specific customer, vendor, account, or other available options. Filters are especially helpful if your company file has a lot of transactions and you only want to see a slice of that data. When you're happy with your settings, click Run Report to refresh it with your customizations. Take a moment to scan the results and make sure the numbers and layout match what you're expecting. If this is a report you'll want to use again, save it so you don't have to redo all that work. Click Save Customization. Give your report a clear, descriptive name and click Save. Later on, you can find it under the Custom Reports tab, ready to run anytime with a single click.